Was very bad for me because in my country we only speak Spanish. I came to Canada without English, with any English. So I feel like I was lost in different world. I had to be able to go for myself, to go shopping, to go for my kids' school, to go to different places. And I don't have any family here. For that I had to go to every place alone. I had to push myself to do that. Oh, and everything. I started learning English when LINc class in this school, and I started level 1 because I didn't have any knowledge about English. So English, LINc for me is the best. I feel more comfortable. Last time I went for my first time to my daughter's interview in school, and I was worried about, or maybe the teacher didn't understand me, what I want to ask. But I said to myself, you have to do that. Okay, so I did. And after I asked to her, excuse me, did you understand my? Yes, sure, I understand you, and I feel happy. Yeah, I feel very happy.